Hello students. Hello everyone. Good morning. Very good morning. Yes, Shreya, Aryan, Priyanshu Tripathi, Ghanshyam Ben, Avinash Kamble. Okay, that is Kamble. Okay. Dinanath Yadav, Durgesh Yadav, Nitin Tiwari, Krishna Kumar, Shashwat Seth, Shivam Jaishu, Adarsh Dev. All of you are here. Very good. Ankita Chaube, Sunil Yadav, Krishna Kumar, and Hiral Bind. Good morning. Good morning. Ayushu Gautam. Everyone are you here? Good morning. Ghanshyam. Yes, beta. Hello. Hello. As in previous classes, we have studied about the transport. We are just studying about the transportation. Yes? Have you remember this or not? In previous class, we are discussing, we was discussing about transportation. How transportation takes place in human. We are discussing about this. Krishna Tiwari. Yes. Okay. Akriti Tiwari. Yes, no? Good afternoon, beta. Good morning. Sorry. Good morning. It's a good morning, not afternoon. Yes, then have you remember whatever we had discussed in previous class? That is before summer vacation. What we have discussed? Yes, Avnish Pathak. Good morning. Good morning, beta. Anyone of you may just remind what we have discussed in previous class? Yes, Harsh, I know you are Harsh Pandey, and good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Okay, Athar. Athar, you are also good. Also, don't mention to, I mean, so don't forget to mention your class also. Okay. This will be your reply, means your comment that has been put by you in a chat box. This will help me to fill your attendance. That's why don't forget to write your class section, etc. Yes, I'm going to start, but I'm going to start. Let's network issue first. Let it be connected properly, and after that I will start. Okay, now no need to just write your comment again here. Okay, your class section no need here, but from next class just remember it. Yes, then I'm going to begin your class. I think every one of you are here. Those who want to attend the class, they are and they have already joined us. That's why I'm going to begin our class now. Yes. So, my dear students, in previous class we have discussed about the transportation. Yes, in which we have seen transportation, the movement of material from one part to another part of an organism's body. Okay, one organism to another organisms of an organ, and one organ to another organ of an organism's body, or one part of one part from one part to another part of organism body. This movement of material is termed as transportation. Okay. So now transportation occurs in all organisms. Doesn't matter the organism is unicellular, multicellular, prokaryotic, eukaryotic. Doesn't matter. In each kind of organism, this transportation takes place. Mean transportation of food, transportation of different hormones, different enzymes, whatever the different things. All these things are transported across the whole body. Yes, this takes place in each and every organism. Yes, in previous class we have also discussed that transportation in human being have two system, means two system which form a human transport system, that is circulating fluid, that is blood or lymph, and the tube. Okay, and that is there means there are two circulatory system, one is blood and another is lymph. Just remember, blood, this blood lymphatic system, that is blood circular system, and lymphatic system. These are two systems which form the transportation system of a human. Okay, so now this transportation system have means three components. That is, first is circular fluid like blood or lymph. Second is when we will discuss about this, means on the basis of there are two types of circulatory system: blood vascular system. Okay, blood vascular system, and after that lymphatic system. Yes, all about this we have discussed in previous class. And about the blood vascular system, we have also discussed in previous class that blood vascular system comprises of three things, that is blood vessels and heart. Okay, about blood we have discussed completely. Whatever the thing we have to discuss about blood, we have discussed about this completely. Nothing was remaining. Okay, we means we are discussing about blood vessels. Yes, so what is blood? Okay, after that component of blood, all about this we have discussed in previous class. Yes, I think this is remember for everyone. All of you remember this? We have discussed about means a blood have two components. First is the plasma, second is corpuscles. Plasma, 55% of blood is made of this plasma, and after that 45%, remaining 45% have three kinds of corpuscle, that is the red blood corpuscle, white blood cells, and blood platelets. Okay, plasma have 92%, and there are 92% of plasma constituent is made of water, and remaining 8% have different solutes in it. Okay, so these solutes are protein, nutrient, hormone, excretory product, inorganic salts, gases, heparin, protein. All these things are found inside the blood. Okay, means plasma. Now corpuscles are three kinds of corpuscle: red blood corpuscles, after that white blood corpuscles, and blood platelets. What are the all about these things we have discussed already in previous class. Yes, yes. Now we have also discussed about the function of blood. After that, how blood means we have discussed that blood helps in healing of injury. How it helps in healing of injury by the process of blood clotting. How blood clotting takes place. All about this we have discussed in previous class. Okay, like this. All about this we have discussed in previous class. Okay. So now we were discussing about blood vessels. Yes. Today I am going to just complete this topic more deeply. More means we are going to focus on this topic today. Yes. So now blood vessel. Let us see what is blood vessel. So now elastic muscular tube. There are so many elastic vascular tube in which blood flows throughout our body. Okay, this elastic muscular tube in which blood flows in our body, that this elastic muscular tube are termed as blood vessels. Okay, there are three kinds of blood vessel in human body. First is artery, second is vein, and third is capillary. Okay, first is artery, second is vein, third is capillary. Okay, so now let us see how what is this artery, vein, or these things. So let us see here. You may see the red color part of this diagram shows the artery. Okay, and artery, after that this artery come here, and after that it truncates, it get branched and form arteriole. Okay, after branching it form arteriole. Now these arteriole get branched more and more and form fine, very fine, means a network of very vast network of fine vessels. Okay, vast network of fine vessels. Okay, this vast network of fine vessels are termed as capillary. Yes, there are three kinds of vessel. This red color means the one that is shown by red color means it is wider. This wider is termed as artery. These arteries move ahead and form a vast network of very fine vessels. This is termed as capillary. Now this capillary opens in again through venule inside the vein. Okay. So now one by one we will discuss about this artery, capillaries, and vein. One by one we will discuss about. Yes. We will also compare just which study. We will also compare what is the difference between artery, vein, and capillary. We will discuss about this also. Okay. So now that's why listen me very and very careful, my dear students. Listen me very and very careful. Okay. So, first we are going to discuss about artery. Yes. So artery is that vessel. Artery is a vessel present in our circulatory system that carries blood away from heart to an organ. Remember it. Arteries always carry blood away from heart. Away from heart. Heart से दूर ले जाएंगे. Where? To an organ. Okay. Heart से दूर एक organ के पास. Yes. That's why artery carry blood from heart to an organ. Yes, always remember it. Don't just get confused. Whenever you someone asks you a definition of artery, just say only that arteries are those blood vessels which carry blood away from heart to an organ. Okay, no need to be confused here. All the artery, there is no any exception of this definition. Always remember, there is no any exception of this definition. Okay, all the those blood vessels which carry blood from heart to an organ, they are termed as artery. Okay, I think this should be clear for everyone. Now we will now discuss about the different properties of artery. Let us see. It has thick elastic muscular wall. The wall of artery is thick. Okay, now with the help of a diagram, first I'm going to list all these properties, and after that we will discuss all these characteristics with the help of diagram. Just wait here. Okay, so now it has thick elastic muscular wall. Its lumen is narrow. Okay, lumen means the width of pipe. It means just you have a plastic pipe and there is space inside the pipe through which water comes out. Okay, so now this space is termed as lumen. Okay, so now here narrow lumen means artery's lumen is narrow. Yes, it is narrow. Now blood of flow is fast. The flow of blood is very fast idea. Blood flows very fastly because directly blood is pumped inside artery from heart. That's why pressure is high inside the blood these arteries. Okay, it has pure blood. Yes. So now here question is, what is pure blood? How many of you know about the pure blood? What is pure blood? Just reply me. What do you mean by pure blood? Everyone reply me. I'm waiting for you to reply me for about pure blood. What is pure blood? What do you understand by the pure blood? Yes, Ragini Yadav. Ragini Yadav, 10th heaven. Okay. After that, Saswat Seth, 10th heaven. Adarsh Dev, Sachin Jan. Okay, everyone. Good morning, and just reply the question. What do you mean by pure blood? Shashwat Seth is saying that oxygenated blood. Okay. Any other? Everyone reply, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, blood containing oxygen, blood, yes. Okay. All of you know about this pure blood, yes. So pure blood means the blood which have more amount of oxygen. The blood rich in oxygen is termed as pure blood. Okay, and that's why it is also termed as oxygenated blood. Yes, the arteries always carry oxygenated blood or pure blood. Okay, there is one exception of this statement, that this is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry blood from heart to lungs. Pulmonary artery carry blood from heart to lungs. Okay, but it carry deoxygenated blood. That's why it carry impure blood. Okay, there is one exception of art carry means that carry pure blood. It is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry impure blood from heart to lungs. Always remember it. Okay, as I have told that arteries are those blood vessels which carry blood away from heart to an organ. Away from heart to an organ. Just like according to this definition, pulmonary artery also carry blood from heart to lung, but it carry impure blood. All other except it, all other blood means blood vessel arteries carry pure blood. Okay. So now it have no internal wall. There is no any internal wall which means try to block the means which try to block the reverse flow of blood inside it. Okay. For example, if blood is flowing from our means from my heart to brain, then there is no any wall found inside arteries which opposes the flow of blood from brain to heart inside artery, and it is also impossible. It can't means blood can't reverse inside artery because there is too much pressure inside the arteries. Okay, that's why due to pressure due to means blood pressure, what is the pressure created by blood inside artery, blood can't reverse in arteries. Okay, that's why there is no need of any valve in the arteries. Yes, it is deep seated. Okay, the like you have heard about that there is veins and which appears from जो हमारे हाथों में ये नस दिखाई दे रही है, इसी में ब्लड होता है, यही आर्टरी है. Okay, so those means vessels which appears just below the skin, which color is blue. Which color is blue? It's not artery, it is vein. Okay, vein. So these arteries are deep seated. They are found means too much means they are located deeply. They are found below the muscles. Okay, inside the muscles. That's why we can't see arteries from outside. Yes. So those vessels which are visible from outside means just below the skin, blue in color, they are veins, not the arteries. Color of arteries resembles red in color because they carry oxygenated blood. Okay, due to deoxygenation, that is deposition of more carbon dioxide in it, its color become blue. Okay, so its color is not blue. I think every one of you getting me? Whatever I'm saying, you can understand it. Okay. So now I am trying to explain all these things. Just look at here. This is the vein and this is the artery. Okay, this is the diagram shown. This diagram shown is relates with artery, and this is from vein. Yes. So now you may see the wall of artery is thick. This is the wall. All this is wall. Wall of artery is thick. Okay, and the gap located inside it, it is lumen. Okay, its lumen is narrow. Okay, while you may see the lumen is wider in vein and wall is thin. Wall is thin. Okay, so let us see one by one. Vein carry blood from an organ to heart. Vein carry blood from an organ to heart, from lungs to heart. Okay, after that from heart to, from heart to heart. Okay, in this way, cardial vein. In this way, from stomach to heart, from intestine to heart, from kidney to heart. Okay, all this kind of vessel which carry blood from organ to heart, they are termed as veins. Yes. So now it has thin and non-elastic wall. It have wall. So it have its lumen is wider, as I have shown in figure. Flow of blood is slow. Here blood flows slowly. Okay, it carries impure blood except pulmonary vein. Except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carry blood from lungs to heart. Okay, lungs to heart, and whatever the lung blood means, whatever the amount of blood which passes, means which comes from lungs, they are pure, they are oxygenated. After oxygenation they move ahead. Okay, from lungs. That's why this vein, means pulmonary vein, carry pure blood. Okay, it is exception. All the vein carry impure blood except pulmonary vein. Okay, so now internal wall present in it, and they are superficial, means they are located at the surface of just below the skin. Yes. So now you may see here again the lumen is here narrow, in vein it is wider. Okay, wall is thick in artery, wall is thin in vein. Okay, here pressure is high, blood pressure is high, here blood pressure is low. Okay, so all these things show the difference between artery and vein. Yes. Now just after we will discuss about capillary, third blood vessel, that is capillary. Okay, so capillary is the site for exchange of substance. Okay, as I have told that blood have a lot of material, useful material. Okay, and now this blood passes through means this blood passes through different tissues with a blood vessel. Okay, so there is another blood vessel, means we have discussed here artery and vein. Artery and vein we have already discussed. Okay, there is another blood vessel by which these means different substances present inside blood is means transferred to cell, that is a tissue, and waste product from tissue is transferred inside blood, which is transported to kidney or any other excretory part of our body. Okay, so now exchange of substance takes place between blood and tissue with the help of capillaries. That's why capillaries are those blood vessels where exchange of substances takes place between blood and tissue fluid. Okay, tissue fluid are found in an organ. Okay, because as you know, our body is made of cell, and these cell when compiled they form, when they get means a group, then they form tissue. These tissue again they group and form organ. After organ just means they gather with each other, and after that they form system, means body system. Now this body system consists with each other and form body, whole body. Okay, so in this way, these capillaries, means capillaries are those blood vessels which passes through tissue, and with the help of it different material across the blood and tissue means a cell present inside tissue takes place. Okay, exchange of material takes place between the blood present inside capillaries and tissue fluid inside the tissue. Okay, so now it has thin wall, and its wall is means lumen is extremely lumen, extremely narrow. It's very fine. It's a diameter about 1 nanometer. Yes. So now flow of blood is very slow. Flow of blood is very slow. Means here blood is means just like we mentioned that blood is steady at here. That's why it gets sufficient time for exchange of material. Yes. So now wall is permeable for water and substance. Wall of arteries and vein are not permeable. They are impermeable for water and substances. But wall of capillaries are permeable for water and substances. Yes. Now these capillaries also help to join vein with arteries. Okay, vein with arteries. As you may see with the help of a diagram, this is artery. You may see this is the artery. Now this artery get branched and form arteriole. Okay, now this arteriole from this capillary. Okay, now this capillary moves ahead and they form means a lesser number of vessel. They are termed as venule. These venule further fuses with each other and they form vein. Yes. Yes. Have you any doubt now? Any one of you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, then may I ask you a question here? Yes, Tripathi, we mentioned that lumen is a vacant space inside the blood vessels. Janvi is also correct. Ah, good. Okay, so now we will take with the help of another diagram, we will try to understand more about blood vessel, different kinds of blood vessel. Okay, this is another diagram that shows the blood vessel. Okay, now here you may say this is the heart, this is the heart. Okay, this is the lung. You may see this is the lungs. Okay, these are two lungs. After that, this is liver. This is liver and alimentary canal. You may say the digestive system. It is our respiratory system and another body part. Yes, this is another body part from where these capillaries have been formed. So now you may see there these capillaries are formed in each and every body organ. Okay, inside the kidney, inside the alimentary canal, just inside the blood vessel, that is heart also. Okay, and in this is the capillaries present inside our brain. Yes, so you may see that this part means it's a left part. All this left part have what impure blood. That's why its color is slightly its color is represented by with the help of gray. Okay, gray color represented. At this side it is it carry pure blood. Okay, that's why it is appearing red in color. It has been shown by red. Okay. Yes, but just the body weight. I'm just explaining how they just fuse with each other. Okay, just they get connects with each other. Just simply they connect. So there is no any specific thing that that connect them. Just simply they connect with these two connect with each other. Okay. Now you may see here this is venules and arterioles. You may see here arterioles and these are the venules. Means you may say this is the venule and arteriole. Further, these are the arteriole. They form artery, means artery capillaries, venal capillaries. All these get fused at here. Okay. So in this way, blood coming from artery, it first means with high speed, it it gets divided into several arterioles and after that capillaries. In this way, its speed gets down. Yes. Now this blood stay at here for longer time, and in this way the tissue gets time for material exchange. Yes. So now from kidney, in this way the blood, the different impurities present inside, with different waste, metabolic waste is present inside the blood, is transferred to kidney with the help of these capillaries. Okay. And after that this purified blood moves ahead. Another from renal vein, this is the renal vein, and this is renal artery. After that it moves ahead, and after that it goes to the heart. Okay. In this way you may say, means we can understand here these blood flows throughout the body with the help of three kinds of blood vessels. These are arteries, vein and capillaries. Yes. Then I think there should be no doubt in all these things. And in next class we will discuss about the next part of our circulatory system. This is the heart. Okay. Have you any doubt, then may ask your question now. Anyone of you have if any doubt, then may ask your question. Okay, hearts, good. No doubt, then very good. What's about others? Okay, then I want to give a notice for everyone that your biology classes will run on every Monday at 7 o'clock. Yes, biology classes will be on each Monday at 7 o'clock in morning, 7 o'clock, 7 to 7:40. Okay, and now I'm not going to continue your physics classes. Your physics classes will be taken by different teachers. Like I just want to tell you that who will take your biology physics classes from 10th A and 10th even. Now from 10th even Prashant sir will take your physics and chemistry classes both, and after that Prabhakar sir will take the physics classes for 10th A, and Prashant sir chemistry. Okay, and physics by Prabhakar sir in 10th B1 and 10th B also. Okay, and chemistry in 10th B by Prashant sir, and in 10th B1 by KT sir. Okay, so that's why those okay, Raman, yeah, Aman, just ask your doubt.